Hello student, today we are going to start a new poem that is The Schoolboy, which is written by William Blake. Before starting, I want to give you a short summary. Well, this poem is about a schoolboy who is unhappy because he doesn't like going to school. He feels that his childhood is ruined in learning. He compares himself to a bird that lives in a cage and a plant that withers when it blossoms. In the end, the poet sends a message to parents that they should not put the burden of studies on students. They should allow them to experience joy and let them live happily. So, student, now I am going to explain it through stanza. Let's see the first stanza. I love to rise in a summer morn when the birds sing on every tree. The distant huntsman wind his horn and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! Well, student, in the first stanza, the poet says that the boy loves to wake up early in the morning when birds sing on the trees. He likes the sound of the distant huntsman when he blows his horn. He enjoys the company of a small brown bird that sings with him. Coming to the next stanza. But to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little ones spend the day in sighting and dismay. So, in the second stanza, the poet further states that the boy does not like going to school in the summer morning. He takes away all the joy and happiness of him. The teacher keeps a close eye on students and they have to spend the entire day in sadness and distress. Now, coming to the third stanza. Ah, then at times I dropping sit and spend many an anxious hour, nor in my book can I take delight, nor sit in learning's bower, worn through with the dreary shower. Well, in the third stanza, the poet elaborates that sometimes the boy sits for long hours with his head hanging down. He neither enjoys reading his books nor does he like to sit for learning. He gets bored with the lectures of his teachers. Coming to the fourth stanza, how can the bird that is born for joy sit in a cage and sing? How can a child, when fears annoy, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? Well, in this stanza, the poet compares himself with a bird and school with a cage. As the bird cannot sing in the cage, similarly, he cannot enjoy his childhood in the school. The poet says that children are afraid of the teachers. The boy feels that he is a prisoner in the school. As a caged bird lets his wing down and forgets to share the joy of spring. Similarly, the boy also forgets to enjoy his young days. Coming to the last stanza. O father and mother, if birds are nipped and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plants are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrow and care's dismay, how shall the summer arise in joy or the summer fruits appear? So, student, in the last stanza, the poet appeals to their parents not to harass their children. School going kids are very sensitive and delicate like birds and flowers. If they are being overburdened, they will grow unhappily and fall similar to the flowers. Without a happy childhood, this world will be full of sorrow. The summer will not arise in joy, and neither the plants will no longer bear fruits. Thank you, student.